Are you an accelerator, incubator, or innovation hub? Do you help businesses and entrepreneurs to start their business or grow their ventures while providing access to resources and mentors? If your organization runs programs for startups, entrepreneurs, or business, this video is tailored for you. Discover how you can better support entrepreneurs and manage the entire process effortlessly while managing your time and your team in the same space. For example, you can have here all the startups or businesses you are supporting. Each team member in your organization could be assigned to a few of these to be the ones that guide that business, so you can easily filter them. Your program can be completely customized for how you want to help those businesses or entrepreneurs. That is up to you. It can be a process that repeats for all. It can be just a bunch of different resources and templates entrepreneurs can access whenever they want. It can be a program with a start and due date with a set of sessions that needs to be done. Or it can be a basic structure that is customized to each business or entrepreneurs as they work with you. Here is an example. In here, you have the startup information. This is internal to your team, and the startup can't access that. You also have some internal work and sessions here. You have their application here. You have tasks for your team related to this startup. You have meetings notes, etc. Then you have the program they are following here. In this example, everything has a start and due date, and the progress is trackable so you can better support them. If a new business or startup joins the program, getting them on board is easy. You click here, select your program, and you're ready to share this with them. If you, for example, have automated that some of those sessions are led by people in your team or have specific durations that can be automated, that means that automatically will add things to everyone involved on their calendars. What sets Nova apart is its ability to maintain privacy while providing a collaborative environment. You can store private information, such as notes and application details, alongside the program's content. For example, this internal whiteboard, where you see the program, is internal only, while you can choose what sessions of the program you share. Also, Nova allows you to have various departments within your organization working in one place. You can have the marketing team here or the program managers here to work collaboratively. Marketing initiatives, workshops, surveys, and more can all be managed within the platform. You can even have a space for mentors to have their workshops and activities there. Having everything centralized in one platform ensures seamless organization. And the best part is that all your activities, whether you are just participating, reviewing the content, or leading it, you can manage and track all of it through your calendar. The platform automates these processes, making your workflow efficient and organized. This is just one way to organize your programs. We have assisted hundreds of accelerators, innovation hubs, and university entrepreneurship programs in customizing Nova to align with their unique work styles and programs. The platform's flexibility ensures that programs can be adapted or modified to accommodate new initiatives or specific startups at any time. Visit our website to learn more.